Okay, this is going to be hands down one of the coolest videos I've ever made. So as I'm sure most of you know, I make videos regarding the pharmaceutical industry, how to get into it, how to get a job. And I'm pleased to say that 4 people from watching my videos have now been offered a job and accepted the position. All of these people have reached out to me either via LinkedIn or Instagram. We've been kind of navigating the process, whether that was me sending recruiters their way, helping them prep for the interview, or just kind of making their resume appeal to hiring managers within the pharmaceutical industry. So the first girl, she actually reached out to me on Instagram quite a while back when one of my first videos went viral, and said that she kind of wanted help navigating through the process of finding a job. I sent her endless job opportunities on LinkedIn. It just really wasn't going anywhere. We kept in touch constantly. It was a lot of dead ends. She wasn't getting callbacks. She wasn't getting interviews. So we decided to do a 360 and focus on inside sales positions within the pharmaceutical industry, but that have room to grow so she could promote to outside sales within a certain amount of time. I had remembered that a couple weeks prior, a recruiter actually reached out to me to fulfill a position for an inside sales position within a medical device company. Now, I don't know much about medical device company, but it is a fantastic industry. I then reached out to the recruiter, said, hey, are you still looking to fulfill the role? She said yes. I put in a good word, sent over her information. A couple weeks later, she just told me she got the job. The second story is about a guy, actually. He reached out via LinkedIn. He's actually coming from a completely different industry from finance, wanted to do a little, industry change. And yeah, we just kind of exchanged words on LinkedIn. He told me about his process. He nailed all the interviews, and a couple days ago, he was offered the job. The third one is a relocation story. So a recruiter reached out to me a couple weeks ago. It was for a Minnesota position. Obviously, I live in Illinois. I declined, kept in touch with the recruiter. One of you guys messaged me on Instagram asking if I had known any recruiters in that area. I did. Passed along the information. She literally told me this morning she passed like 3 interviews and she got the job. The reason I'm making this video is this is your proof that you can break into the industry having little to absolutely no experience. I'm absolutely no expert. I've never said I've been an expert. I'm personally speaking on my own experience. I navigated the market for 6 months before I got, any offers started to roll in for me. So when I say reach out to me on LinkedIn, connect, message me on Instagram, I will help you guys in any way, shape, or form that I can. If it's helping you with your resume, if it's prepping you for an interview, I will help you guys. When I was looking for a job within the industry, never having the experience, I really wish I had someone like me to kind of navigate me through it, just kind of assist me. What's going to make me stand out to these managers? So basically, the reason I'm making this video is I just want to show you guys that this is so possible to do. Anybody can really do it as long as you put your heart and soul to it. When I tell you guys don't hesitate to reach out, I'm being 110% transparent with you guys. I will try to help in any way that I can. Like I said, I'm no expert, but any questions you have, feel free to come my way.